Which number is even? If you're a math genius or just pretending, then prove it. Drop the answer to this so-called easy question in the comments. Don't be shy, Einstein. Square root 144 equals. Smash that subscribe button below like it just ran off with your wallet. Correct 12. What is 100 divided by 4? Correct 40. What is the value of pi? Approximate. Correct 3.14. What is 15 times 4? $60 is correct. 5 superscript 3 equals? Correct 125. Volume of cube equals side superscript 3. If side equals 4, then volume equals? Correct 64. Simplify. 9 to 3 times 2 correct. Three. Which is a prime number? If you're a math genius or just pretending, then prove it. Drop the answer to this so-called easy question in the comments. Don't be shy, Einstein. Triangle has how many angles? Correct 3. If x equals 3, then x superscript 2 equals? Nine is correct. 10 superscript 2 equals? Correct answer 100. 1 kilometer equals? Meters. Correct 1,000. 0 times 1,000 equals? Zero is correct answer. Solve. 7, 6 by 2. Correct 19. What is 20% of 200? $40 is correct. LCM of 6 and 8 is? Correct 24. What comes next? 2, 4, 8, 16, underscore, underscore. Correct 32. Which number is even? Correct 16. 1 dozen equals? Correct 12. What is half of 250? Correct 125. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, bro. Also, drop your opinion in the comments, and if there's any issue in the video, let us know. But most importantly, don't forget to subscribe.